For today's activity, I would like you to recreate some images. So I'm going to give you a screen card. So my first screen card is the pirate background with the pirate lady, a treasure chest, and a parrot. Now, in the set of instructions, can you change the parrot so that the scale equals 60? So I need to first add in my background. So I'm going to go back to Purple Mash. I'm going to add in a background. So I'm going to drag the background into my set of instructions. I'm going to take my block that says background, then click on image, and then set to, I would like the pirate background. So my next thing that I need to add in is I need to go to my design mode. Click design mode, click characters. If I would like my background to come up while using design mode, I can click on the computer, and instead of having my background as a question mark image, I can click on the background that I have chosen and it will show up so I can see where to place my character. So I'm going to drag my character. The first one is the girl, a pirate girl. So I'm going to go back to my set of instructions and just double check. The pirate girl needs to be 120 on my scale. So I'm going to go back, look at my property table. Scale at the moment is 100. So I'm going to click next to the 100, and then 120 is bigger than 100. So I'm going to click up and one more bigger, and there I can see it's now 120. Then I need to add in another character, but it can't be the girl again. What did I need to add in? It was the parrot. So I can see the parrot, and it says number 1, the parrot needs to be on the scale of 60. So let's go back to Purple Mash, double click on the girl, and now I need to add in the parrot. Parrot is set on 100, so I need to make it smaller all the way down to 60 and move it into the tree. Then the final picture that I needed to add in is double click on the pirate girl again. It was the closed treasure chest. And I think that was set to 100. So let's double check the chest so that the scale is 100. So I go to Purple Mash, it's 100, and there we go. So I'm going to exit design mode now because now I've got all of the pictures in the right spot. So the first one that I want to put in is I now need to tell my program, add in the pirate girl, and she can just, maybe she can speak, and you can add in, hello friends. Then I want my parrot to come in, and maybe I want my parrot to just fly from left to the left. And then I want my treasure chest in, and I just want my treasure chest to show. So once I press play, let's see if it looks like the image. I can go back to my first scene card. There we go. And I've added in a couple of things just to make it a little bit more interesting. So I press play, and there we go. So my parrot is flying. My pirate girl said hi friends, and my treasure chest is showing. If I would like to change anything, I can click it on here and just say show the pirate and show the pirate girl and the parrot. And there we go. So that looks exactly like the first scene card. Now, I would like you to challenge yourself and do scene 2 card, scene 3 card, scene 4 card, 5 and 6. Once you've completed these activities, you can take a screenshot and add them on to this activity on Seesaw for today and show your teacher. Good luck, boys and girls, and enjoy today's activity.